Jambo.
That's how you feel it? That's how you gonna start it off? What you with this? What you with this? Badass. Okay, you first came in this world. Did you ask yourself, do you know what the fuck you in? Bitch, cause you still fucking lost. I can tell by the way you look that you lost. Ooh, nigga, bitch, you better knock it off. You better motherfucking find out what I saw. What I came and fucking saw. Now they ain't no shit. But I motherfucking goddamn was floating through that bitch like I ain't no shit. Cause bitch, I know it all, bitch. Only thing I gotta fucking remember, take it goddamn. Take it back to my third eye. Then when that shit happened, nigga, one hell of a god, nigga. One hell of a try, nigga. Get one try, nigga. What the fuck you gonna do, nigga? You gon' sit there and die, nigga. You waiting on die till you go to heaven, bitch. I want that shit right now. We in heaven, bitch. We got a goddamn me, Smith and Wesson, bitch. We toting poles, yes, yes, that's your lesson, bitch. Tote that pole, yeah, tote that shit, nigga. Some niggas call that pole a stick, nigga. Ooh, nigga, ooh, banging dick. Man, what the fuck, nigga? What he say? He really got the shit. He leaning with the toolie, nigga. What the fuck you wanna do? Did you go to school? Yeah, yeah, I did, and I graduated the whole nigga. What the fuck you gonna say? Down your throat. I don't wanna hear that shit, cause you playing, nigga. Dead fucking body, nigga. Now you fucking land, nigga. Cause you want motherfucking talk. Now you know I don't fucking balk. I just motherfucking stalk. I know what you do, bitch. I know who you are. I smell it on you. I see it on you. I feel it on you. I see it in your aura, nigga. That motherfucking dim. It's dim, nigga. Got the lights on dim. Nigga, they be like, nigga, is that really him? Nigga, I throw you in a pool, can you swim? Bitch, get your swole on, bitch. I'm in the gym. No, I ain't, bitch. I'm at the fucking bank, nigga. That's what I lift up, nigga. You better ask Hank, nigga. You better ask my nigga Jay. He a twin. Bitch, don't maybe make the other one get in. Cause nigga, that ain't your friend. Nigga, them my kin. Quit playing with me, bitch. You is a begin. You stuck back there. You can't even pass the next level. That's why I just hand your ass a damn shovel. Till you get to work. That's what you need to do. How much can you motherfucking energy? Huh? What you say? You can't do shit. You tired, boss? Let that boy, like I said, he lost. Like he a baby. Goddamn, man. You know what I'm talking about? Boy, lost in this bitch.
Goddamn, too many niggas lost. Y'all gonna get lost in the war. Goddamn, be shell shocked. Goddamn, boy, your shell shock. Get hit with a damn, goddamn, boy, damn.
Yeah.